Here in this program we will assume that the values of the array are already given to us. So this is a way to define and initialize an array. See, there is an array and I am assuming that it has 5 elements. These are the values of the array. And obviously this 1 will be assigned to array 0 index location. This 2 will be assigned to array 1 index location, and so on. You can have any values, 65, 82, whatever. Just to make the program simple, I am taking this sequence values, and obviously they will be assigned to the index location from 0 till 4. Okay. To display an array, you can directly use the array name itself. So it will get you all the array elements enclosed in a square bracket, right? So you get the output numerical values in the array are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. We can also use this way for I in range 0, len array. See, now let me tell you that in range, if you write only a single value, the initial value is considered as 0. If you define two values, 0 is the initial value, len means it will find out the length of the array r. The length of the array is 5 elements, so the range will have the values 0, 5. It also means that the variable I will get the values from 0 till 4. On the 5th value, the loop will terminate. You can either use this for loop or you can use this for loop, which I have commented out. You can use either of them. Here what you are doing, that you are using a single value length of array, right? And that is value 5. So the initial value by default is taken as 0, 0 till 5. So the variable I will get the value from 0 till 4. See, the last value is exclusive. That means the loop has to terminate on the last value, that is on the 5th. So on using either the for loop, the value of I will range from 0 to 4. When the value of I is 0, print r0. So this one value at location r0 will be displayed. The I will increment to 1. The value in r1 index location will be displayed. The value of I will become 2. The value in r2 index location will be displayed. r3, r4. And it will display all the elements from r0 till r4 index location.